Hey, it's Mary Bartos and
Cheryl Stokes.
Now, Cheryl, where are we in the world today?
We are at the Esplanade. And do you know what's going to happen here this weekend?
Well, I hear a little birdie might be winning. Tell everybody what's happening.
I don't know, maybe, but the 7th annual Jerry Adams Chili Cook-Off is this weekend, Saturday, 12 to 4, right here at the Esplanade. We have 20 chefs competing this year. It's going to be a challenge. It's going to be a challenge. It's so much fun, great charity, benefits the Firefighters Foundation.
How many times have you won?
I've won 3 times.
3-peat, baby. What's this coming up?
This will be 4.
4-peat.
But it's not about me. It's about the firefighters.
Well, it is not about you, but I'm making it about you right now. It is about the firefighters.
It is about the firefighters.
We love you, firefighters, for all that you do on Marco Island. Saturday, November 9th, 12 to 4, and we look forward to being here. Be here, be square. Ciao for now.
Ciao for now.
Look at all those tickets. Fruit.
Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
Good luck.
Man walks down the street and says, why am I soft in the middle now? Why am I soft in the middle now? The rest of my life is so hard. I need a photo opportunity. I want a shot at redemption.
Oh, come on. I want to see you tomorrow.
All right, here we go. We're going to drop another one. Dr. Siegel's going to draw it for the 50-50. $620 going out to the winner. All right, hopefully you are here. Three, 2, 0, 0, 0, 5. Who?
This is going back to the Fire Foundation, okay?
Skip is donating back. Wait a minute, Skip says he's going to donate it all back to the Fire Rescue Foundation. Just said everybody was outstanding. However, there's some a little more outstanding than others. So we're going to find out right now who has taken these beautiful awards for the 7th annual Jerry Adams Chili
Ladies and
Cook-Off.
gentlemen, the Marco Island Fire Rescue Foundation President, Miss Diana Dome. Here we go with the winners.
All right. Drum roll, please. Okay, on the in the individuals category, we have new funding, new American funding, Sunshine Sisters and Spice Girls. The winner for the 4th year in a row, New American Funding. Okay, everybody needs to know this is her last year of participating, so.
Sorry, Ray. There were 2 groups calling upon God today to help them out. The Marco Patriots were here. We had the Marco Island Nature Preserve and Bird Sanctuary. All right, and the winner of this category is the Marco Patriots. There were 4 secret judges walking around. They went around and tasted all the chilies, and they chose the best overall.
This is the big one. Our secret judges were out there and no one knew who they were. So this year's judges award goes to Sullivan's Brigade. 2 years in a row. Woo-hoo! They come from afar and bring their antique truck every year. So we can't thank you guys. And of course their puppy, their Dalmatian puppy. Buddy from the Fire Foundation. We wouldn't have an event if it wasn't for all of our chefs and all of you being here. Thank you so much.